Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to access Archive in Trello. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First step is to click right here on these three dots. This will open up this menu where you have to scroll down until you see archived items. Click on that. Now you have successfully accessed your archived items and you can search for the items you want right here. Or you can switch to lists and browse the lists archived items. You can switch back to cards if you want just by clicking on this button. You can here restore this card or delete it forever. Also into lists you can restore them or delete them forever if you want. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.